Hi folks! This quick video will introduce you to Sirv Profiles. Profiles can change the size, style and behavior of your spins in seconds. Profiles empower you to adjust your spins whenever you like without having to alter any code in your pages. To create a profile, navigate to your Profiles page, click on New Profile and give it a name. On the left-hand side, you can see profile option categories. In the middle, you can see the options themselves, and on the right, you can see the preview. Let's change the preview to our 360 spin. Under the preview, click on the Choose Another Image or Spin button, then choose a spin that you would like to preview. Now let's make some changes. Navigate to Spin Options, Auto Spin, and set the Rotate option to Infinite. As you can see, our preview has updated automatically. Now let's add a watermark. Go to Watermarks and click Add Watermark. Then choose your watermark image. I will be using our logo, and click Choose. As you can see, the logo is a bit too big. To make it smaller, I'll change the scale option to 20%. It's good, but the position is not optimal, so let's move it to the bottom right corner. Set Position Gravity to Southeast. Now the logo is in the correct position, but I would like to add some padding to it. Let's add -20 pixels horizontally and -20 pixels vertically. This looks much better. Now click the Save button to save your new profile. To apply your new profile to your spins, use one of our plugins, or simply add the profile parameter to your spin URL with the name of your profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel.